This 2022 Keystone Passport 268BH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Keystone is 30 feet 7 inches in length and features sleeps 10, leveling jacks, LP detector, stove-top burner, refrigerator, TV, carbon monoxide detector, auxiliary battery, air conditioning, oven, slide-out, and 43 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, front bedroom, front entertainment, front kitchen, front living area, mid-kitchen, outdoor kitchen, rear bath, rear dinette, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Keystone Passport 268BH is 5,760 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.